Hello, everyone, and welcome to another LinkedIn episode about is it worth getting a LinkedIn Sales Navigator? Let's take a look at it. I'm Marie, the CEO and founder of Mario Livy Ltd, the leadership transformational company for entrepreneurs, founders, and leaders who wants to create or upgrade their personal brand and also switch their mindset towards the high performance through strategy and health. So let's take a look at this question. Is it worth getting a LinkedIn Sales Navigator? So, if you are in sales, business development, or recruitment, chances you heard about LinkedIn Sales Navigator are big. So, but it's really worth investment. This is the main question. In this video, we will walk you through what it is, who is it for, and what it offers, and whether it is the right tool for you and for your goals. So, the first one, what is LinkedIn Sales Navigator? LinkedIn Sales Navigator is a premium subscription tool designed to help users find and build relationships with the right prospects on LinkedIn. It provides advanced search filters, lead recommendations, and real time insights into prospects and accounts. It's ideal for sales professionals, recruiters, and business owners who rely on outreach and relationship building. There are some really cool features that actually Sales Navigator is offering. So let's cover them step by step. The first one is advanced lead and account search. I love this one. So by filter, for example, you can use company size, job title, industry, seniority level, location, and more. Much more powerful than LinkedIn basic search. Really cool. You can set your ideal customer here. It will give you the exact matches and the people you are looking for. So you just simply, for example, I don't know, like I'm just putting something in random. Um, People who are following my profile and are coming from this company, for example, really random person just popped. I don't know what is this company. And yes, the second feature is lead recommendations. So this one is also really cool because LinkedIn suggests leads based on your preferences and past activity, saving your time and improving the targeting. So this is also really cool. The third one is InMail Messaging. So this makes the cold outreach much easier because you are reaching people outside your immediate network with some in-mail credits. So you're sending them actually emails. Then the fourth is CRM integration. So you can actually sync your tools like Salesforce or HubSpot to streamline workflows and track leads effectively. Uh, the fourth feature is a real-time insight and alert, so you can get notified when leads change jobs, share content, or are mentioned in news, for example, giving you timely reasons to reach out to them. And the last but not least is that you can save the leads and also put the notes so that you understand from where the leads are coming from. So you can organize your outreach efforts by saving profiles and adding personal notes directly on the platform. Uh, then there is a sub question to this question, and it's who should consider Sales Navigator? So, B2B sales professionals are definitely the ones who should definitely think about it. So, if you are doing outbound sales or account based marketing, this tool helps you lesser target your prospects. So this is really helpful. Then the second is the recruiters and the hiring managers. Especially, it's useful for finding niche candidates or passive talent. Then the third is the founders and business developers like me, which is great for building strategic partnerships, lead generation, or networking with decision makers. And the last people who should definitely get the sales navigator are the agencies and consultants. So perfect for those needing to prospect high value clients regularly. So, what are the best practices when using the Sales Navigator? And then I will also get into the mistakes. So, some of the best practices are building the target leads list. So, use filters strategically to segment your audience, save time, and improve also your outreach. So, the return of investment. The second best practice is that you can personalize your email, so you just don't send the cold generic messages. Then the third one is that you leverage the team link feature. It shows if someone in your company is connected to your lead, helping you get warm interaction. Like, hey, I saw that Paul is also in our mutual connection. Do you know him? Yeah, I had a coffee the last time, etc. Then the fourth best practice is that you can check the lead insights before reaching out. So, like, who is this person? Also, you can, for example, see like a really like what happened with this person, like how this person actually came to your profile, and get more. For example, if I'm going here to Louis Butkins. So I'm getting these insights here. Yes, sales insights that he posted within 30 days. If he viewed my profile, etc., which is really helpful. Then we are also, and the last best practice is that it integrates with your CRM. So if you definitely use Salesforce or HubSpot, this is really useful to do. Even though I dropped from HubSpot, I'm no longer using it because it was a big duplication for CRM and keeping people in one place. So yeah. There are also 5 things that people do mistakes when it comes to the Sales Navigator. So the first one is that if you are only using it for browsing or random outreach, probably you are underutilizing it. So don't pay for it. It's quite expensive. The second is that you are not segmenting your list. This is another mistake. The third one is that you are sending just spammy emails, pitching, and not really adding value to people. The fourth is that you're ignoring activity insights, that you don't leverage what you have in common with people, who they are, etc. Like recent posts, job changes, or mutual connection misses the opportunities to create authentic engagement. And the last mistake is that you cancel too soon on the Sales Navigator because it takes time to learn and leverage the platform. And quitting early without testing the features and referring your strategy might mean you miss out on results. So then we are coming to the result. Is it worth it? Yes, if you use it correctly. So, LinkedIn Sales Navigator can be a powerful tool for generating leads, making meaningful connections, and closing more deals. But, like any tool, it only works if you have strategy, if you are committed to consistently outreach and follow up. It's absolutely worth the investment. I really love it for my business. I'm using it on daily basis, also my team. So definitely worth it. So we are at the end of today's episode. If you want to watch more, then go to mariolevy.com and click on the articles where you can find daily insights into the LinkedIn, and you can read and watch more because we are pairing every article with a video. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. So, Mario Olivier Zamesnikova, connect, write me that you are coming from this episode so that you receive the free templates about the branding. And also, don't forget to hit the notification and subscription button on YouTube. And let me know in the comments what is the next question that you want me to cover in the article. And in the video so that you might know more about the personal branding and high performance. So this is all for the LinkedIn. Next time we will be looking more in depth on the leadership, and I am really excited to seeing you next time. So bye.